HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand sampling, with and without replacement. Let's look at how sampling works, with and without replacement. In this example, we have a population of 1, 3, 5, and 7. The sample size is 2. Let's set up a table with the sample number, score 1, score 2 and the sample mean for the two scores. With 4 scores in the population, there are 4 times 4 equals 16 samples, with 2 scores in the sample. These 12 combinations of scores involve a sample where the first score and second score are not the same. These are all the combinations when sampling without replacement is used. When sampling with replacement is used, then there are some additional samples that are possible. These 4 combinations of scores involve a sample where the same score was selected twice. Therefore, sampling with replacement always involves a larger number of possible samples than sampling without replacement. With large populations, there is very little difference between sampling with replacement and without replacement because the possibility of resampling the same score is very, very low. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.